everyone, today we've got some fidget blind bags open. Today we have 3, and comment down below what other blind bags you'd like us to do. So let's get opening. So these is what you can get, so like the checklist. So you can get common, uncommon, rare and legendary. And we got a common. Not the best, but let's see what we get, I suppose. This is quite tricky to open. Oh, we got a blue tangle. Not the best, but I guess it's our first packet, so fine. Moving on to our second fidget blind bag. Again, here's another checklist, and we got a rare this time. Okay, let's see what we get. Really hoping it's a better one this time than just a tangle. Oh, we got a simple dimple. He got like a unicorn one. Nice with like the blue vibe today. Very nice. Okay, moving on to our last fidget blind bag. Let's hope it's legendary. So we got uncommon. I mean, at least it's better than a common. Okay. This one's quite big. We got pop tubes. We got yellow and pink. Pop tubes are so fun. So these are all the fidgets we got today. In our first one we got tangle, in our second one we got simple dimple, and we got pop tubes in our last one. Thanks for watching.